In a world where luxury and raw power rarely meet, the 2026 Kenworth W900 secret-level double-story motorhome shatters every expectation. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving fortress of elegance and engineering mastery, built on the legendary strength of the W900 and elevated into a two-story rolling palace. From the moment you see it, the commanding chrome grille, sculpted body lines, and bold stance make a statement of authority. But its real magic is hidden beyond the gleaming exterior, where opulence and innovation redefine what road travel can be. Step inside and the lower deck welcomes you with a grand lounge area wrapped in premium leather seating and polished wood finishes, bathed in natural light from panoramic windows. The fully equipped kitchen features smart appliances, a quartz countertop, and a dining area designed for both family dinners and elegant social gatherings. Subtle mood lighting and climate control create a comfortable environment no matter the season. Ascend the staircase to the upper level and you're in a master suite that rivals five-star hotels, complete with a king-size bed, private lounge, and even a balcony-style viewing deck to enjoy breathtaking landscapes. Technology flows through every detail, from a hidden entertainment system with 360-degree surround sound to intelligent lighting that adapts to your mood. Storage is cleverly integrated into the walls and floors, making long journeys clutter-free. For the adventurer who wants freedom without limits, the W900 features an advanced off-grid setup with solar panels, high-capacity batteries, and water recycling systems, so you can stay off the beaten path without sacrificing comfort. Beneath the beauty, the W900's proven powertrain has been tuned for greater efficiency while retaining its legendary hauling strength, ensuring effortless long-distance cruising. Safety is uncompromised with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision warning, and a 360-degree camera system for confident maneuvering. The 2026 Kenworth W900 double-story motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement, a perfect fusion of power, style, and independence. For those who demand the best and refuse to compromise, this is the ultimate expression of luxury travel. This is Honest Auto Wheels, bringing you the most exclusive and groundbreaking vehicles from around the world. And with this Kenworth, the open road has never looked so extraordinary.